Most people get this wrong. They think email marketing tools are all the same. But the surprising truth about BombBomb is its focus on video email, making outreach far more personal and engaging. I've tested BombBomb for sending client emails, and you won't believe what happens next. The response rate increased significantly compared to traditional text-only emails. BombBomb allows you to record and embed videos directly in emails, track opens and clicks, and even schedule follow-ups automatically. Setting up an account is straightforward. You can integrate it with popular CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, or even Gmail and Outlook. The interface is clean, letting you create emails, record video messages, and see analytics all in one place. One unique feature is the ability to track viewer engagement. You can see who watched your video, for how long, and what links they clicked, which helps you refine your messaging. It's especially useful for real estate agents, sales teams, and customer success professionals who rely on personal connections. However, BombBomb does have downsides. Subscription costs are higher than basic email tools, and it's best suited for teams or professionals who truly benefit from video messaging. For casual users, simpler email platforms might suffice. In conclusion, BombBomb stands out for anyone wanting to create personalized, video-driven emails that boost engagement and responses. If you want to make your emails memorable and effective, it's a tool worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews of marketing and business tools to help you grow your audience and sales.